Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Power your Nest and bring it close to your router so Bluetooth and Wi-Fi can detect it. Open Google Home, sign in with the Google account you want to use, and allow location and Bluetooth access. These permissions let the app find new devices. Make sure your phone is on the same too. 4 GHz network as the Nest. Many smart devices prefer that band. Once done, tap the plus icon in Google Home to add a device, and choose Set Up Device to start discovery. After you start setup, the app will ask to scan the QR code on the Nest or type the setup code. Do that now so the phone pairs securely. You'll hear a chime or see an LED pattern on the Nest. Confirm that matches the app, because this avoids connecting to the wrong device. Next, choose your Wi-Fi network and enter the password, picking the 4 GHz band often improves range and stability. Finally, name the device and assign a room so voice commands and automations work cleanly. Finish setup by applying any firmware updates. These improve stability and add features, so let them complete before heavy use. Then link Google Assistant media accounts and set up voice match if desired. This personalizes responses and secures transactions. Run the built-in device test to confirm speakers and sensors work. If setup fails, try basic fixes. Reboot your router and phone, move closer to the Nest, or perform a factory reset on the device, and then repeat the setup steps. That usually resolves most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.